Hello and welcome to another time-lapse video. My name is Daniel. I make 2D and 3D assets for games. Here in this video I want to show you my test work called 2D Evil 3. It is a boss for a platformer game. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. I have made a game called Sweepity. You can find the link in the description. It is free to play and made with Blender's Grease Pencil. I hope you liked this video and now enjoy.